My journey kind of started when I was about 14 years old, where I was working at a camera. And I started watching what he was doing, and I ended up buying my own. So the camera kind of came with me everywhere I went, in nature, in the woods behind my house, around the house. It was pretty much my partner. Went camping, on camping trips, my friends, my neighbors. Nobody was free to get away from me. It became an adventure, and then I started sharing my photos and my joy of nature and hoping other people would see the joy that I had in nature, in horses, in people, in their animals, in life itself, and in things they wouldn't expect to look at. I think it's important to me because I've lived a good section of my life as a caregiver and working full-time with other companies doing technical jobs, which I'm very good at because my father was very technical. But this was my dream. Well, COVID came, mandatory retirement, and I made a decision, and I had a conversation with my husband actually before he passed away, to follow my dream. Follow what was in my heart, and I'm going like, well, this is my chance to do it now. The wild horses, of course. Also just nature. So we have some hawks around where we live, and birds. I love birds. I've always had a passion for birds. That comes from my mother. But I find that I'm also ending up taking a lot of photos of people. One of the biggest things I learned is I thought I knew enough to start. And when I took the mastery course, I discovered there's a whole lot more that I didn't realize that I knew. And I may have known it and forgotten it. It was so refreshing and, I don't know, cathartic. I picked up like the night photography. I would do it. But now I absolutely love it. I'm asking my friends, when can you come out with me next? Currently, I'm shooting primarily with my Nikon D750 and my Nikon D7200. My favorite, if you had asked me a few months ago, I would have said my 70-300. Right now, I'm absolutely loving working with my 35 and my 85, but I still have my 150-600. I would definitely say, like, if you're starting off and you need one thing, the nifty 50. If you're on the fence, take the jump. If this is something you're passionate about, seriously stop thinking about it and start doing it. Doesn't matter what level you're at. A great experience, not only with the people you're going to meet in the class, but Yana's hilarious and a blast to work with. It is, I think, the best thing I've done for myself in years.